Meta has exploded higher plus 8.81% to $612.91, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, July 2nd, and this is your complete global market briefing. The market is lacking a clear catalyst today, leading to choppy, two-way price action. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading lower by minus 0.22%, at $7,483.23. Equity markets are responding to reports that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. NASDAQ 100 dropped sharply minus 1.54% to $29,809. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily. Dow Jones is little changed, hovering near $52,305. Equity markets are responding to reports that non-farm payroll growth is seen slowing but staying relatively strong in June, seeking alpha. DAX climbed plus 1.68% to $25,040. This comes as Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 is broadly flat at $10,478, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Meta made a dramatic move today, surged plus 8.81% to $612.91. Equity markets are responding to reports that Meta Platforms, NASDAQ Meta, faces RE spending test, Calkine Media. WhatsApp monetization is the next major revenue unlock, still largely untapped outside of India's business messaging push. AI infrastructure spending is heavy, but the ROI is visible in ad performance metrics. Any positive user growth data from emerging markets would be a catalyst. ASML plunged minus 7.36% to $1,843.04 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by news. Tesla Elon Musk discusses Terafab at ASML conference, project expected to spur EUV tool orders. TrendForce. The EUV monopoly is one of the strongest competitive moats in all of technology. AI chip demand for the most advanced nodes directly benefits ASML without the execution risk of being a chip maker. Watch for any update on the 2026 to 2027 capacity shipment schedule. TSMC plunged minus 7.01% to $444.11 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that TSMC signals price hikes as RE chip demand strains capacity, the tech buzz. AI chip demand has created a demand floor that insulates TSMC from the consumer electronics cycle. High-NA EUV ramp at N2 and beyond represents a technology advantage no competitor can replicate for years. Watch the next earnings call for any commentary on 2026 capacity allocation. Samsung made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 5.84% to $314,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HBM3 yield rates for AI training chips are the most critical near-term metric. Any positive update would drive a meaningful earnings upgrade cycle. The memory upcycle is intact, but Samsung's foundry losses are a drag. A recovery in smartphone DRAM pricing would add a second earnings lever. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off. Investors Business Daily, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that non-farm payroll growth is seen slowing but staying relatively strong in June, seeking alpha. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $71.14 per barrel, down 2.44% on the session. This comes as current price of oil as of fortune, adding pressure to energy markets. WTI crude dropped sharply to $68.09 per barrel, down 2.03% on the session. This comes as current price of oil as of fortune, adding pressure to energy markets. Natural gas dropped sharply to $3.21, down 1.95% on the session. This comes as Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off investors' business daily, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold edged higher to $4,044.60 per troy ounce, up 0.54% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold slips as US-Iran tensions spark inflation, rate hike fears. Let us give you our near-term view on Meta. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $649.68 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.14, losing 0.39% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, gaining 0.2% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 162.63, gaining 0% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold price today, why global investors still watch safe haven demand, the dollar and the Fed journal ATA. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.